Today I'll be sharing with you how to make DIY Christmas tags, either for a Christmas present or to use as a Christmas ornament. For the first craft, I'm using these tags that I got from Michaels, and they have a blue and a red version with already a printed border, and these stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby were the perfect match for this craft. And what's so great about this is you can find tags all year long. You don't have to wait just for Christmas time. You can find these at your scrapbooking section at different craft stores. And these happen to come with a string already, so I'm just using the provided rope. These stickers that I got fit perfectly in the middle. That's why I thought these were the perfect match for one another. Even though it has a nice large sticky back, I did want to hot glue it to make sure it's really nice and secure. For mine, what I'm going to be doing with these is using these as a Christmas ornament, but you can definitely put a to from on any of these crafts I'm going to show you today. Just as a little added touch, I added a bow at the top and the little diamond that also happened to come in the sticker package. And here's the first one. Super fast, super simple, but I do think it's really pretty. I also did an additional blue version. And with all the supplies that I had, I was able to make 9 different tags. For the second craft, I found these pre-cut tags at Hobby Lobby, and I'm making a little wreath just by tying some greenery ends together, and also using some pip berries to go around to add a little red and white color to it. So these berries are just nice, long, simple strands that are really easy to bend because there's a thin wire inside, and all I did was wrap it around and around until finally it reached the end. Now this is the only second craft that I'm going to show you in today's video because I've been a bit under the weather. I debated on doing a third tag ornament, but I just wasn't able to. I wasn't well enough. Now this is a fun little gadget here that I found at Michael's in the scrapbooking section, and what it is are all the alphabet letters that lock together to make stamps. So you can make whatever word you want just by connecting them together like a puzzle. I decided to use the word joy, and with a regular ink pad I just gently pushed and rubbed the little letters on top of it, and holding my breath to make sure it wouldn't wiggle and get out of place, I stamped the word joy right in the middle of the wreath. You can connect any of these letters together and it'll make the perfect stamp every time. Now after doing the word, I decided I wanted a little decoration around the edge, so I outlined the edges with a fine liner, and I'm going to decorate the edges similar to that of the wreath with just some green leaves and some little red berries. And of course I'm using my POSCA pens for this because it's just so quick and simple and it dries really quickly. I thought it was a nice added touch. The corners just looked really empty and bare. After repeating the same pattern in all 4 corners, I then just hot glued the wreath into the center. I didn't want to put glue all the way around it because hot glue can make things feel a little bit crusty and hard, so I just put a little bit of glue at the top and bottom, and that was enough to secure it in place. For the hanger, this tag didn't come with the string already supplied, so I used jute just at the top of the hanger, and as a little tiny decoration I also did a little red bow right at the bottom. I think these are precious, and with the supplies that I had I was able to make 6 of these. And just as a recap, here are the other tags that I made in this video. Tell me in the comments down below which one you liked best, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you love Christmas all year long. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.